Watch some quick and effective weight loss tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It helps to control hunger and boosts metabolism. 2. Balanced diet. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed and sugary foods. 3. Control portions. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates to trick your brain into feeling full. 4. Regular exercise. Incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises into your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days. 5. Sleep well. Get enough quality sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones related to appetite and weight gain. 6. Avoid liquid calories. Cut back on sugary drinks, sodas, and alcohol. Opt for water or herbal tea instead. 7. Snack smart. Choose healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or Greek yogurt to keep you satisfied between meals. 8. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat, savor each bite, and avoid distractions while eating. 9. Reduce stress. High stress can lead to emotional eating. Find relaxation techniques that work for you, like meditation or yoga. 10. Stay consistent. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. Sustainable weight loss takes time and commitment.